How to customize lock screen shortcuts on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize your lock screen shortcuts on Android. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your settings menu. Now from your settings, you just have to go ahead and find the lock screen settings that is right over here. Tap on it. Now from your lock screen settings, you want to go ahead and find your lock screen. Then you can find something called lock screen edit down below. Tap on edit lock screen and then it will directly take you over to your lock screen customization. And as you can see here, I've currently used three shortcuts on my lock screen. So I've used battery, then I have weather. You can use any other apps that are available here as well. So let me just quickly remove all of them. Now, if you want to add widgets or shortcuts, you can just go ahead and tap on add widgets. And let's say if I want one for battery status, I can just do that. It will show my current battery. Then I have something related to calendar. I can do the calendar right here as well. And then I can do something like weather. I can do AQI and current temperature. So I'll just do current temperature for now. Then you can do news or reminders, modes and routines, and even your gallery. And I'm going to do the last one for Samsung Health, that is daily activity. Now you're good to go. Now, if you want to edit other shortcuts like these buttons over here, so the first one is the phone call button at the bottom left. You can change it to any of these available options, or you can just open any quick app from there as well. And on the right side is camera. So instead of phone, I can do something like torch for easy access. And then you just have to tap on the done button at the top right. Now to customize other shortcuts like your watch, you can just click on the clock icon, change its style, and if you want to show weather information, you can do that as well, and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.